Okay, here are the ingredients for this recipe. We need 1 block of firm tofu, a 1/3 cup of plant milk, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric, salt, garlic, and onion powder, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and some mix-ins. I use a cup of veggies, a cup of diced potatoes pre-cooked, and a 1/2 cup of black beans. Next, we're going to add in our base ingredients and blend them. You see me mistakenly add the black beans early. I think this may have messed up the recipe. I may have to try this again. But the black beans are meant to be a mix-in, not into the base ingredients. Add your mix-ins and mix them well, and grease your muffin tin, and fill all of the mixture into your muffin tin up to the top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 to 35 minutes. And when it comes out, you're going to want to let it sit and cool for at least 15 minutes before you take it out of the tin. Here's the final result. They look a little beige. I'd give this a 1 out of 5 stars because it fell apart and the texture was a tad weird. So this is not a great recipe so far. Okay, ingredients are here for our second recipe. 2 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup plant milk, 2 cups of oats, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and mix-ins of choice. We'll get into those mix-in options later. Go ahead and add in all of your base ingredients and blend them up. And then we're going to start with our mix-ins. So for the first flavor, I did blueberries, then we did apple cinnamon. Blueberries were simple, just add some blueberries and mix. Apple cinnamon is just apples and some cinnamon. I diced the apples. And then the third option, I did a kind of like a carrot cake. So added a little bit of maple syrup, some shredded carrots, and some cinnamon. Once you have all your mix-in options, add them to your muffin tin. I used a mini muffin tin for this, just for reference. And 1/3 of the tin went to each flavor. You want it to be mostly full. And bake your concoction at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 14 minutes. Then you could check for doneness with a toothpick to see if it comes out clean. Here are the final results. Okay, I can give this a 4 out of 5 stars. My toddler accepted all of the flavors. Her favorite was the carrot one, and I'm always looking for ways to get veggies in. So there you go. All right, for our third and final recipe today, we have bananas, peanut butter, and yogurt. And of course, a silicone mold. So we're gonna start by adding sliced bananas to our mold at the bottom. You can see here, I'm just trying to fill it up and I mash it a little bit at the bottom as well. Then we're gonna add a dollop of peanut butter. Easier said than done, especially while filming. So here you go, here's the final result. Messy, of course. And then we add the yogurt. Basically enough yogurt to fill up the rest of the silicone cup. And here's the final result here. Place that in your freezer and there you go. Easy as that. I don't have pictures of the final result because I forgot to take them. But here is my take on the recipe. I gave it a 3 out of 5 stars. It is toddler approved, but it's very messy, so, you know, just keep that in mind. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!